Hey everybody, this is a very large object and I'm here to be more in-depth with the kickflip and how not to do it. So that's how you do a kickflip. I'm gonna slow it down a little bit and show you the correct foot placement. Foot too far up, you might end up with that. There's not enough time for the foot to slide over. It needs enough time to flick for the full board rotation to occur. So, foot placement wise, your feet are going to be around like so. So your heel's off the edge. So where's your foot? Let's see. So there is plenty of ways to land the kickflip. And of course it depends on how strong your legs are and how fast you flick it. But for the complete beginner, you probably shouldn't start with it. So I'm going to have in-depth videos on how to do pop shove-its, 180s and everything. My Noobs Guide, episode 1, just covered a brief introduction to all these tricks, and I'm going to have a little bit more intermediate stuff later down the pipe. So with a kickflip, a lot of people, they assume that you're going to have your foot all the way at the bottom of the board down here to do a kickflip. Now that will theoretically make it so that you can do double kicks. So the further down the board, you know, you can do like double kick flips and stuff like that. I can't land them. So let me switch the angle here. So with a kickflip, your foot placement is going to be like that, where your heel is going to be on the off the edge, just how you would do a like a shove it, except with your leading foot. Now with me, I usually have my back foot a little bit higher up, just to sort of balance the load. So when doing a kickflip, you have to, you know, go with the ollie. And usually when you start kicking off, that's the same as just an ollie. Try not to do a pressure flip. Those are kind of ugly. I don't like them personally. So you're doing an ollie, and instead of flicking forward, you're flicking out. So instead of, you know, trying to catch the board, you're going to flick the board off and come back and slap it down. So as it's flicking in the air, usually when you see your wheels, stop, because it's going to be very quick when you flip the board. So that's my basics for the kickflip. I'm going to do quite a few in this series, but I'm going to first start off with the shove-its and all that.